The race to be the biggest party in the Senedd at next year's elections is already well underway, and parties are doing what they can to score the necessary political points early doors to try and pull away. Official campaigning hasn't started, but clearly parties are trying to get ahead of the issue, and one poignant factor that could affect voters is Port Talbot steelworks that partly closed last year. The Welsh Government said it was destined to close down despite efforts to negotiate with the site's owners, Tata. Reform were the latest party to weigh in and have said that on a visit to Port Talbot, if Nigel Farage's party was elected as the biggest in the Senedd next year, then he would bring back the blast furnaces to Wales and allow mining coal to use at the site. According to the First Minister, the policy is nonsense, as it seems the ship has sailed on the future of the blast furnaces, which are unusable after they were turned off. Farage told BBC Wales that reopening it would be impossible and would have to build new ones, costing in the low billions. UK Labour did little to help their Welsh counterparts in the argument earlier on this year when they rushed to nationalise a similar site in Scunthorpe, which faced thousands of job losses. But Plaid Cymru's proposition of nationalising Port Talbot was laughed at by Welsh Labour counterparts. Plaid argue this shows a lack of fairness in Wales's treatment compared to England, and in such a poignant topic of steelworking, the issue could become a big factor in next year's Senedd elections. At the moment, Reform, Plaid Cymru and Welsh Labour are fighting for top spot, with Plaid ahead in the most recent polls, but with almost a full calendar year to go, expect plenty of movement before then. James Peach Watkins, reporting for Local TV.